Welcome back, friends. Now we started with attribute types, simple attribute and composite attribute, single valued attribute, multi-valued attribute, and derived attribute. Simple attribute and composite attribute just now we have seen. Now we'll see the single valued attributes and multi-valued attributes. Single valued attributes are those attributes whose value will be only one, single. For example, if I ask your M3 marks, M3 marks value will be a single one. Either it will be 40 or above 40 up to 70. Right? So your marks will become single valued attribute. Also we can say this is a simple attribute. But value we are representing in for single valued attribute, and that is in term of numerics. Right? The next is multi-valued attribute. Now, multi-valued attribute are different than single valued attribute. How? Multi-valued attribute will have more than one value of same attribute. Example, if we take phone number. Phone number will have different two values, more than one value, which can become as a multi-valued attribute. For example, the person is carrying a smartphone and smartphone have a two SIM cards in it. SIM 1 will have number 1 mobile number. SIM 2 will have number 2 mobile number. So when I can say the person, for example, XYZ name, we'll take example as a Sachin. So Sachin will have two phone numbers mobile. So in phone number attribute, first value will be first mobile number and second value will be second mobile number. So such attribute whose values are more than one are called as multi-valued attribute. So single valued attribute will have a single value, multi-valued attribute will have a more than one value. And for example, we can say as a multi-valued attribute, phone number is a multi-valued attribute. Now next one, fifth one and the last one is derived attributes. Derived attributes are those attributes which are computed from other attributes or which are evaluated, which are generated, which are derived from other attribute values. Such attributes are called as derived attributes. Example can be age. So age is a kind of attribute which is derived attribute. Age is always calculated from given date of birth. For example, if somebody's birthday date is 1st July 2000, then currently his age will be 20 years. So this is how we can computing the value of age from given date of birth. So in this case, the age is derived attribute. So these are the 5 attributes types: simple attribute, composite attribute, single valued attribute, multi-valued attribute, and derived attribute. And domain value is the set of permitted values for each attribute. And in a table, the column is an attribute and row is a tuple of the relation. Now, how these different attributes are expressed in ER diagram or in entity. So we'll see notation. Different notations are used for different attributes. Notation to express entity with complex attributes, including everything. So if you see the figure, the rectangle is shown. In rectangle, first is the entity, and all other are acting as an attribute of that entity. So instructor is an entity. Instructor will have, so we can say instructor is a table, instructor is a relation, or instructor is an entity, and instructor will have its properties, attributes. Attributes are ID, name, address, street, city, state, zip, phone number, date of birth, and age. So these are the different attributes of instructor. Now ID is shown and which is having underline. It indicates that ID is a primary key of the relation, primary key of the table instructor. Now name is shown, name is an attribute, but below name there are first name, middle initial and last name. So this indicates that these three are subpart of name attribute, and that's why name is a complex attribute, or we can say it is a composite attribute. Address. Now address is simple. An address will have again these street, city, state, zip. So address is again composite attribute. In address, the street is there. Street again we can say is a composite attribute. Like street will have street number, street name, apartment name. Now only if we consider city, city is a simple attribute. State, simple attribute. Zip, zip is single valued attribute. So this is how it is noted. Now phone number is shown in brackets. So it indicates that phone number is a multi-valued attribute. So multi-valued attribute is represented and which is written inside the curly braces. Now date of birth again will have a single value we can say, and that is a single valued attribute. Now age is shown as a function. Age will have open bracket and close bracket. It indicates that this is a derived attribute. So age is a derived attribute. So these are the different notations used to express entity with all other attributes, that is all complex attributes, which includes simple attribute, composite attribute, single valued attribute, multi-valued attribute, and your derived attribute. Derived attribute is shown like a function, name of the attribute and function. Multi-valued attribute is written inside the curly braces. Composite attribute is written as with subparts. Single valued attribute, simple. Simple attribute also is written simple. So this is how the different notations are used to express entity with all attributes or types of attributes.